What is up YouTube? Welcome back, it's already technoboy, and today I'm gonna unbox this. You can see it's Pietro Beretta US9mm, or let's say pistol lighter, which looks exactly like the Beretta M9. It's the Replica. So today I got the delivery from Amazon, and this one cost me around 600. I'll give the link in the description below so you can buy it from there. So let's open it up. Voila, this is it. This is the gun itself, which looks exactly like the real one, and this is broken here. Anyway, this is a stand. It's gonna stay like this. So that's it. Now this is the gun. You can see the size, and it's not lightweight. The weight would be around, I think, 400 grams. So this is not a metal body, it's a chrome finish, you can see, and it's a hard plastic body. The whole thing and the pipe here, this is the metal only, the lighter part, you can see at the front. So this is it. So the top part, this thing, yeah, you can move this thing just like that, but not so much. And this hammer locked here just like this, and you can see it's filled with the gas here. This is the place for where you can fill the gas, and gas canister will be here inside, I think. So so there is no magazine, you cannot move the magazine, but it's like the real one. You can see this thing moves. This thing moves, and when you press the trigger, you can see the flame. Yeah, just like this. So this is it, guys. So this can be used in short movies and YouTube videos like that. And yeah, this thing has been used by CID guys in the CID serial on Sony TV, and this thing used in many, medium budget movies in which they don't use that much gun, and there is no that much shooting, but just a few guns, just to show and to thread like that. There they use this kind of gun. So that's it, guys. That's all for today. Hope you're gonna like the video. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.